How to log into your FreshDirect account on your phone. Here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your freshdirect.com, or you can get the application through your App Store or Play Store. Then from here, what you're going to do is simply tap on the menu bar on the top left, and then from there you can actually get the option sign in. Tap on sign in, then you'll be able to get into sign in page, or if you're on the application you can get the sign in button right here on the beginning, and you'll be able to tap on that one, get into the sign in page just like this. So here there's two different things that you can do. You can either use your phone number or you can use your email address. Either way, you'll need to type that down. When you tap on continue, there will be a verification code sent to you. Simply type that down and you'll successfully be able to log into your FreshDirect. But here, if you have used any of those platforms like your Facebook ID or your Google ID to create your account, then you can tap on them in order to log in, and you'll be able to log into your FreshDirect account on your phone. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.